Welcome to AFMY channel. For today's video, I will present to you the top 10 most beautiful Miss Universe winners. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Miss Universe pageant is the ultimate and the most important beauty contest in the world. The first Miss Universe pageant was held in Long Beach, California in the year 1952. So, in the year 2011, this prestigious annual international beauty contest celebrated its 60th anniversary. Every year, the world witnessed the unfolding of the most important beauty pageant, the Miss Universe. The competition was started in 1952 and since then, it has been held every year without a fail. Over the last 30 or so years, there have been some truly amazing and beautiful women who have held the crown. So, I will present to you some of the best and top 10 most beautiful Miss Universe winners over the years. Top 10. Dayanara Torres, Miss Universe 1993. Dayanara Torres is a Puerto Rican actress, singer, model, writer, and beauty queen who won Miss Universe 1993. Torres was discovered at age 17 while walking through the Plaza de Toa Alta in her hometown and invited to represent Toa Alta in the annual Miss Puerto Rico pageant. She won the crown in the Miss Universe pageant held in Mexico in May 1993. During and after her reign as Miss Universe, she became an ambassador for UNICEF, traveling through Asia and Latin America in support of the organization. Top 9. Zuzibini Tonzi, Miss Universe 2019. Zuzibini Tonzi is a South African model and a beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Miss Universe 2019. Tonzi had previously been crowned Miss South Africa 2019. She is the third woman from South Africa to win the title, and the first black woman since Laila Lopez crowned Miss Universe 2011. As Miss Universe, Tonzi lived in New York City and took part in a number of events and appearances throughout the world. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, Tonzi wore the crown for a year and a half and her reign came to an end on 16 May 2021. Top 8. Lara Dutta, Miss Universe 2000. Lara Dutta is an Indian actress, model, and beauty queen who crowned Miss Intercontinental 1997 and Miss Universe 2000. She was the second woman from India to be crowned Miss Universe. She is one of the most beautiful Miss Universe and she is the only woman who has scored 9.99 points in the history of Miss Universe and in the history of international beauty pageants. She is so intelligent and strong with her lifestyle. Her voice and grace are incomparable, beautiful, classy, and had the best responses in the interviews. Top 7. Jennifer Hawkins, Miss Universe 2005. Jennifer Hawkins is an Australian model, television presenter, and beauty queen, best known for being crowned Miss Universe Australia, later the same year Miss Universe 2004. The Australian beauty queen and Miss Universe 2004, Jennifer Hawkins is the sexiest, hottest, and one of the most beautiful Miss Universe till date. She is divine, sensuous, astounding, and it would not be wrong if she might be an incarnation of the Greek goddess Aphrodite. Top 6. Oksana Fedorova, Miss Universe 2002. The contemporary, radiant, beautiful, and intelligent Oksana Fedorova was the first Russian winner in the history of Miss Universe pageant. Her reign was the shortest ever as she was dethroned after 3 months of the competition. Also, Oksana was the most stunning and potential winner of the contest. She was the only Miss Universe to score a 9.88 in the swimsuit competition. Today, there exists only one Miss Universe winner who is decked up with a captivating charm and who is worthy to be called the Goddess of Beauty. Everybody has a right to look alluring, sensational, and beautiful, but Oksana Fedorova has abused this right to the extreme, and now it doesn't matter even if she was dethroned, she will remain one of the most beautiful Miss Universe winners. Top 5. Catriona Gray, Miss Universe 2018. Catriona Elisa Magnayon Gray is a Filipino-Australian model, singer, and beauty pageant title holder who crowned Miss Universe 2018. She is the fourth Filipina to win the Miss Universe competition. Previously, Catriona Gray crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2018 and Miss World Philippines 2016. Such an icon, particularly not only because she became Miss Universe after a 3-year drought for the Philippines to have their fourth crown, but she has an amazing backstory, and her patriotism for her country made her an inspiration. Top 4. Natalie Glebova, Miss Universe 2005 pageant. Top 3. Pia Wurtzbach, Miss Universe 2015. Pia Alonso Wurtzbach, formerly known professionally as Pia Romero, is a Filipino-German model, actress, and beauty queen who crowned Miss Universe 2015. She is one of the 4 Filipinas to have won the Miss Universe. Also, she had previously won Binibining Pilipinas 2015. She made Miss Universe relevant again through her scandalous coronation night that made her a viral social media celebrity. One of the most iconic answers, confidently beautiful with a heart. The Philippines had to wait for 42 years before getting back the crown. Pia Wurtzbach's answer references the pageant's motto, confidently beautiful with a heart. Top 2. Demi Linnell Peters, Miss Universe 2017. Demi Linnell Peters is a stylish, beautiful, and exceptionally calm and has a beautiful smile. Demi Linnell Peters is a South African actress, model, and a beauty queen who crowned Miss Universe 2017. She is the second Miss Universe winner from South Africa, following Margaret Gardiner, who crowned Miss Universe 1978. She is one of the sweetest queens that crowned Miss Universe. She proved that age didn't matter as long as you have the heart to show the universe, then you can be a queen regardless if you are the youngest among the other candidates. Demi Linnell Peters is beautiful, intelligent, funny, and sweet. So, that's a beauty with a purpose. Her worldwide campaign was designed to empower women with the information of the need to be mentally and physically prepared in the event of a violent attack. She was inspired to launch Unbreakable after her own violent carjacking experience in June 2017. Top 1. Sushmita Sen, Miss Universe 1994. Sushmita Sen is an Indian actress and model who was crowned Femina Miss India in 1994 and won Miss Universe 1994 at the age of 18. Also, she is the first Indian woman to win the competition and has since primarily worked in Hindi films. She had so much depth in her answer while she was only 18 years old. Whatever she spoke during her reign went ahead and lived up to date. Almost everybody loved her. She is an inspiration to many. She had an amazing answer with an articulate voice and beautiful smile to win. Queen of the Universe, she has the spirit of a beauty queen, ranking the first position in the list of top 10 most beautiful Miss Universe winners.